Hello everyone, it's V. I just wanted to say really quickly that I'm doing a collaboration with Cooking with Jerri. She is wonderful and I'm going to have her link below. She loves her family. She's always talking about her kids and her husband. She has a wonderful channel. I'm also doing a collaboration with Nika's Kitchen Cravings. And she also enjoys cooking really good treats. And I'm sure you've seen her channel as well. So all three of us are doing something really special for Cinco de Mayo. Come on and check us out. I have this right here. It's the strawberry margarita. I'm going to try to post something for Cinco de Mayo. But if not, please check out my friends. All right. Come on, you guys. Let's cook with ease. Peace and love. Good. Are you ready for chicken tinga? You all. This is such a winner. You have got to try chicken tinga. Now, all you have to do is follow this recipe. I know you're going to be pleased. Take a look. You want a bite? All right, come on, let's go. Let's cook with ease. See you guys. Peace and love. For our chicken tinga, we are going to use white onion, lime, red onion, garlic, lettuce, cilantro, Maggi Pollo, cumin. This is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chipotle, chicken broth, tostados, crushed tomatoes, and queso fresco. And here is my shredded chicken breast. So I'm going to do this really easily. And don't forget, these are the easy steps. And this is also going to be a mild version. All right, so let's get ready with our sauce, which is one of the most important steps here. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to start off by putting a little olive oil in our pan. This is going to heat up so we can put our onions in our pan. All right, we have garlic and onions, but we're first going to add our onions, and then we're going to let those caramelize. And then we will add the garlic. Okay, so we're moving right along. I'm going to leave these alone and I'll be right back. Now in the same pot or the same pan that we caramelized our onions and garlic, we're going to put some crushed tomatoes. Now I'm telling you, this is the easy way, because the other way, you boil them with onions and garlic and put them in a blender. But I'm telling you, this is the easy way to do it. We're going to put some chicken broth, chicken bouillon, but this is Maggi Pollo. Now you season it to your liking, okay? I'm going to use some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, some cumin. Now here's the kicker. This is the chipotle peppers. Now, because I am a wimp, I am only using, some people use this whole thing, but I'm gonna have to, while we're cooking this, I'm gonna have to see and gauge how hot this is going to become. Now this is our super delicious sauce, and I'm gonna let this cook for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the onion and garlic in here, along with all those good juices. Now this is going to cook for 30 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Okay, now this is a great time for you to taste it to see if it's meeting your expectations. Now I'm going to put a little pepper in here. I'm also going to squeeze some lime juice in here. Now I'm going to add our chicken and all that good juice. I'm going to gradually add this because I want to see how thick this is going to become. Ooh, oh, this looks so good. Now it's 30 minutes in. I'm going to let it cook an additional 30 minutes so that the chicken can sop up all that deliciousness. I'm also going to add our cilantro. This is going to add a lot of flavor. I'm sorry, excuse me. And let's let this simmer. I'll say for about maybe 20 more minutes. We'll see. It's up to you though. I'll be back. Okay, everyone. I want you to look at our chicken tinga. And I wanted to go ahead and start putting one together. Look how beautiful our sauce is. Okay, so first, on the bottom, you know, everyone does it differently. It's up to you how you want to do it. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put this in here. Add some guacamole on the bottom. Then add our chicken tinga. However much you want. It's up to you. It's fun making it messy. Let's add some lettuce. Some pico. Let's add some red onions. Oh my goodness, I'm ready to get into this. Our queso cheese. And let's top it with some sour cream. I gotta test this out. Well, let me fix this up. This is delicious. Yum. I'm gonna make some more and I'm gonna plate this up for you. Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me. God bless all of you, and I hope you try this out. Okay, peace and love. Let's cook with ease.